G'day, here's a parcel of knobby seam material from Lightning Ridge. It's a bit mixed up. It's mostly crystal material. It's been wetted so you can get the colours to come out a bit more. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. You can see how bright the colours are there. Mostly purples, blues, greens. Not a lot of red, unfortunately. But very bright material. Make some nice inlay jewellery and pieces where you require small bright pieces. This is the material for you, perhaps. I'll just lift it up a bit more so you get a bit closer look again. Some honey pots there on the rule. Most of it's crystal, as you can see. I'll pick up a few bits just to give you a bit of an idea. Here's this piece in the middle here, on the larger pieces. Little small pieces like this is ideal for inlay. A little bit more solid colour. Bit of crystal. You can see the play of colour there. Quite good value for money, I think. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.